Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Prabhu, some of the congregation, they come and do full-time services. Like they come morning and do services for the deities. So in such cases, do they still have need to have their personal deities?
And if the congregation are coming to the temple and they are engaging in morning sadhana and all, do they have to have deities in that home? They can have the picture of the deities at home, of the temple. They can call them also Radha Krishna Chandra. They can have deities of Radha Krishna. They can call them the same name, and then they can understand. They can. It all depends on how you connect. If you are nearby, and if you are every day you are coming and you are able to come for Mangalarti and get connected to the deities. At home you may be, but other members are not coming to temple. Maybe you are coming. If whole family is coming, it's fine. You are next door to temple, then you don't need deities at home at all. You can come here and all the program and do. But still you need deities because you need to make offerings. So for this, Gaur-Nitaya is good enough. Have Gaur-Nitaya, and so there's no elaborate worship. Do some Sankirtan, chant, and then offer. Gaur-Nitaya accepts. So food is made in prasadam. And then rest of the time you are, that what Prabhupada says, the spiritual component, Shravanam, Kirtanam, you are taking advantage from the temple, perfect. But you are far away from this temple, then it is not practical. Then you have to include the morning sadhana in your home. So both, the spirit of it should be that every member of your home, we should, you alone not enough. Every member of the home should be infused into this. If you are doing your Mangalarti at home every day, your children also see this. They are to participate. Right from childhood, that culture develops into them. So very intelligently you should plan what is the best combination of the temple deity worship, participating in temple deity worship, and in your home also. Because Krishna is unlimited. Everywhere he is absolute. On behalf of, on the strength, on the authority of Prabhupada, you do devotion, you do deity worship in the temple, you do deity worship in your home. The Lord is absolute and he is present. By the costless mercy of Srila Prabhupada, the deity also is present. So it's a change of how you see your home. What is your perception of your home? What is your perception of your family members? That they belong to me or they belong to the deities? I am the servant of the deities. And these are my children, my family, they're all my responsibility on behalf of the deity to see that they get an opportunity to develop Krishna consciousness. The goal of any home, the goal of any varna, ashrama, occupation, duty should be to advance in Krishna consciousness. So that is okay? That answers your question? Or some more clarity?
Means some cases, Prabhu, where their schedule is so tight. Their schedule is so tight that early morning they have to go for offices, and means evening they'll come and engage in the services in the temple. So in such cases, again having their deities and worshipping the deities may be practically sometimes may be difficult.
In home also?
Yes.
In home itself?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes. Whatever it may be, the world has not gone so bad that they ask you to come 6 o'clock for work. Fortunately. Eventually maybe it works. Normally everywhere work starts at 10 o'clock. So definitely you have got from the time of waking till 10 o'clock, it is in your hands. Many things are in your hands. And also nobody makes you work beyond 8 hours. Normally. 90%. 10% are called team leaders. They give extra money and they take your time till 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the night. When you come back, your children have already slept. So they hardly get any interaction with the parents. So they're horrible life. But if one desires limited occupational duty, limited to 8 hours, Krishna will definitely provide that. Your situation will change soon. Your sadhana is so powerful. Your chanting is so powerful. Holy name is so powerful. If your perspective is very clear, and if you are frustrated and praying for time for your spiritual life, for my survival, my occupational duty itself is going 15 hours, 16 hours. So bad my karma is. Then very soon, Rama Prabhu will change your situation. That is for sure. We have experience of so many congregations. Change your financial situation, get a new job, which is reasonable, working 8 hours. So 24 minus 8 hours, no, my boss does not ask what I do. It is in my hands what I do, how much I sleep, how much I wake up, what I should do, what I should not do. Just see. So it's not a very impossible situation except some rare cases. Even today, it is possible to turn your home into a Krishna conscious home. Women will say, I have to do this, I have to prepare the children for school, all those things. So all becomes part of your occupational duty. And then afterwards, many grahastha ladies, they say that after all that, after everybody goes, I am free. Then they chant their 16 rounds. It's also perfectly, it's adjustment. You do that adjustment. Still, you wake up, let us say 5 o'clock, in 5 hours. You don't need 5 hours to prepare the children. Still you can chant 8 rounds in the morning. We have created a condensed morning sadhana program, recorded. In half an hour you can finish Guru Puja, you can finish Mangalarti, you can finish Tulsi Arati, everything. Half an hour or 20 minutes, I think, that's all. Continuously, one after the other, you do that much. So that much every devotee can do. So very hopeful situation it is.